ROG Astral Force RTX 5090-32GB GDDR7 BTF Edition graphics card. Gamers, creators, and power users, brace yourself. The future of GPUs is here, and it's not just powerful, it's beyond belief. Introducing the ROG Astral Force RTX 5090-32GB GDDR7 BTF Edition, where next-gen performance meets next-level design. This isn't just another graphics card. This is ROG's masterpiece, engineered for raw performance, ultimate cooling, and stunning aesthetics. With the RTX 5090 BTF Edition, you're not just upgrading your setup, you're entering a new era of computing. Powered by NVIDIA's most advanced architecture, the RTX 5090 delivers insane power-faster ray tracing and faster AI processing capabilities thanks to 5th-gen Tensor cores and 4th-gen RT cores. And yes, you heard that right, 32 GB of ultra-fast GDDR7 memory. Lightning fast bandwidth, superior rendering performance, and zero compromise, even in 8K. The card is encased in a premium Astral-inspired shroud. And thanks to the BTF Back to the Future PCB design, this GPU connects without visible power cables, giving you a clean, minimal, and futuristic look. Built not just for gamers, but for creators and AI enthusiasts, the ROG RTX 5090 BTF Edition accelerates 3D rendering, video editing, and AI model training with unprecedented speed. Whether you're working in Unreal Engine, Blender, DaVinci Resolve, or training deep learning models, this card is your ultimate co-pilot. Card specification: AI performance, 3394 AI TOPS. Powered by the NVIDIA architecture and DLSS 4. OC mode, 2467M OC mode 2437M default mode. Featuring an innovative detachable graphics card, high power, GCHPWR, adapter for compatibility with standard and BTF motherboards. The GCHPWR adapter supports up to 1000 watts. Quad fan design boosts airflow and pressure by up to 20%. Patented vapor chamber with milled for lower GPU temperatures. Phase change GPU thermal pad ensures optimal heat transfer, lowering GPU temperatures for enhanced performance and reliability. 3.8 slot design, massive and fin array optimized for airflow from the 4 Axial Tech fans. Secure GPU protection with GPU guard technology, securing 4 corners of the GPU and GPU bracket, ensures stable mounting. Full metal shroud, frame backplate, and rear I/O bracket brace the PCB for rigidity. Powerful 80-amp MOSFETs help ensure enhanced performance, stability, and higher overclocking potential. The ROG Astral RTX 5090-32GB GDDR7 BTF Edition isn't just a graphics card, it's a statement. Built for the bold, designed for the elite, and tuned for the future. Ready to unleash the power of tomorrow? Smash that like button if you're hyped for the RTX 5090. Subscribe for more GPU deep dives, performance tests, and futuristic tech reviews, only on this channel.